You like this style? Stay tuned to see how I did this. So for this lock knot style, I am going to use my trusty water bottle, my leave-in conditioner, my oil, scalp oil mixture with a little Jamaican black castor oil, as well as some other choice oils, and my lighter oils for my hair. So stay tuned. This is the final look right here. I'm going to turn around so you can see the back. Now what I'll do to finish up the look, I can wear it like this. And then after a couple of days, what I'm going to do is take the curls down. So I will probably go back and show you a picture of that real quick. But to kind of set the look, I have my, until I do that, until I take it out at night, I just tend to spritz it with water, keep my hair moist like this. Turn this light on. Yeah, that's a little bit better. Okay, so I tend to spritz my hair with a little water when I get up in the morning while I have it in this style. And just do my usual, oh, I didn't put my leave-in conditioner, but what I'm going to do is either I'll come in with this mousse, because probably I'll take it out tomorrow. And this mousse, I do a couple of pumps of this mousse. And this is one of my favorites that I like to use for my hair. It has no phthalates, phosphates, and I just pat it on my hair. I might use a little bit more. So when I get ready to take it out, I'll just put a little mousse on it to try to set the curl. And that is it. That is it. Okay, and I might just follow up. And you know, some of them are going to come out, but it's really easy to retwist them in there. Might take this leave-in oil conditioner and just do a little run through on top. Just that much, rub it in, and kind of do the same thing. Okay, and just, you know, go about my day. When I get ready to take it out, I'll take it out and I'll show you that picture when that's done. But that's it. Until next time.